Hi guys, welcome to Gladly Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'll be talking about how to transfer some coin from your Binance app to your Telegram wallet. So the first thing you have to do is to tap on your portfolio after launching your Binance app. Next thing is to tap on take out. Next thing is to tap on withdraw. So after tapping on withdraw, the next thing you have to do is to select the coin that you want to withdraw, which is Tom coin. So we search for Tom. So let me search for Tom. So tap on Tom coin. So the next thing I have to do after tapping on Tom coin is to tap on so now after tapping on Tom coin, the next thing is to enter my address, the network, and the memo if necessary. So I have to go to my Telegram wallet and get the address that is necessary for it. So going to my Telegram wallet now, I'm allowing it to launch. So I'll tap on the three dots, tap on wallet. So let me open it. On wallet, let's see what we have there. It's booting. So on wallet, I'm going to tap on exchange because I want to collect money from another exchange. So I'll tap on exchange. Okay. Let's say your wallet is empty. You would like to buy some wallet, some crypto. So I tap on external market. I select Tom coin. Then now I'm going to copy my address. Then head back to my Binance app. So let's head back to my Binance app. It has been copied. So on my Binance app, I'm going to I'm going to paste the address and also paste add new address, and also write the name of the coin, which is Tom. Select the coin, which is Tom. Enter the paste the address. Okay, I'm selecting the coin, which is Tom. And now I'm going to paste my address and select network. Please take note, network is Tom coin, but we don't have memo on our Telegram wallet, so it's not going to be necessary here, and wallet label is not going to be necessary. So the original exchange is the particular exchange that you're using to withdraw the money from, which is Binance. I'll just tap on my Binance and then I'll save, and okay, let me tap on Binance first, then tap on confirm. Then I'm going to save it. Save. Okay, let me save it. Save. So they say the network is selected, it requires memo. Check the memo withdrawal details. Check if you require a memo. So it does not require a memo. I'll just tap on confirm. Now the next step is to complete your verification by entering authentication app and your email app. So when you enter those codes, the transaction will be confirmed and the money will be sent from your Binance app to your Telegram wallet. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, get notified anytime I'll upload a video. The thumbs up is very important for this video. It will go a long way, so please do not forget. Thanks for watching.